I am Dr. Neema Bisht, BDS by degree and a pharma professional. Also, I am founder of CareerInPharma, wherein I provide guidance and training to healthcare professionals. I am on a mission to help 1 lakh healthcare professionals to attain financial security through career into clinical research industry. Once again, I welcome you all to CareerInPharma. So today I will be talking on a very important topic of work pressure in corporate industry and how it affects your work-life balance. First of all, let me tell you that this work pressure and work-life balance, all these are like very hype word. Practically speaking, no, there is no existence for this work-life balance, work pressure, because everything depends in your life. Everything depends how you are managing your time, how you are prioritizing the thing. Because if you are someone who is not good at time management, not good at prioritizing the thing, then whatever you do, even if you do some household work also, that may take you more time. So it all depends on your time management and prioritization of things in your life. Yes, so let's begin with this video. Now, why this topic is very important? Because many times many people from clinical background, they ask me about this thing. Why? Because definitely they must have heard through their relatives, maybe cousins or maybe their colleagues, that inside corporate work-life balance is not there, or you will feel very much pressure, or don't come to non-clinical sector, better do whatever you are doing. But let me tell you one thing, to grow in your life, whatever you are doing, even if you are in a clinical sector, to grow in your life, you have to be in discomfort zone always. Now, you can say this discomfort as, work pressure or whatever you want to say, but like that work pressure is also kind of a discomfort. And if you are in that discomfort zone, definitely you are growing in your life and you are not just surviving. So it doesn't mean that you have to be in that discomfort zone always, no. But there should be that kind of discomfort, in every 2-3 years, or I would say there should be discomfort. There should be some healthy amount of stress in your life. That's how you grow. Otherwise, it's just survival. Yes. First of all, why you feel work pressure during your initial phase of job? Because see, whenever you come to corporate sector from clinical background, then the way you will work differently, it's very different. You will not dealing with live patient. You have to work more on laptop. So definitely you are not technically sound also. That's why, when doing work in your office, you are feeling so much of pressure, because technology is also one of the concern for you. Okay. And you are not that fast. You are not working efficiently. And that's how you feel that pressure. See, you can compare this thing with, like, let's say, as soon as after finishing your finishing your internship, let's say you started learning RCTs in molars. So initially you will take more time in doing RCTs, correct? But as soon as you do more number of RCTs in posterior tooth in molars, then gradually the amount of time you will spend in doing RCT become less. Similarly, inside corporate, the amount of time it will take to finish any task will become less as you grow in your job. Okay, so definitely that pressure will be there. It's up to you. You feel it like a pressure or you feel it like a growth. Okay, if you will go with the mindset of growth, then you will not feel it as a pressure. Then you will feel, okay, it's fine because I'm growing, and whenever you are growing, discomfort will be there. Yes. Now, if you are at the end of the day, if you are growing, if you are learning something, then that discomfort is fine. But sometimes, you may get few companies where the work culture is not good, management is not good. In that case, you have to understand that if the work culture or management is not good, or you are facing the pressure, what is the thing, you have to identify it. Yes, sometimes why you not able to cope up with the work pressure is because you are not very good at time management. You are not very good at prioritizing the thing, and that's how you feel pressure. So always manage your time in a day. Whatever is important for weekdays, do those things on weekdays. Whatever is not so important, do it on your off day. Even in job, whatever is the critical thing, do that first, then important, then least important thing. Try to divide the time in your 8 to 9 hours of job. Prioritize what you are going to do first, and then after that. That's how you will be able to manage the time. Don't do everything haphazardly. Whatever is coming, do this also, that also. No. Always manage your time, always prioritize. That's how you are going to feel less pressure. Okay. Now sometimes doing all the things, you are managing your time also, you are prioritizing the things also, but still you are feeling the pressure. So maybe one factor is that you are not able to say no to each and everyone. So please start learning saying no. Okay. You don't have to be rigid, you don't have to be rude, but put your things in a disciplined manner, in a way that even if you are saying no, it doesn't sound rude, and you have to say no. Yes, maybe on weekends you have to work. Yes, then sometimes you are not able to do it, then say no. Not be so rigid that I will not do it, because at a fresher level, be it your clinical or corporate job, you have to be on your toes to learn the new things. Otherwise, let's say if you have opened your clinic and it's just 6 months to your clinic, and then if any emergency patient is coming to you when you are about to close your clinic, and if you will say no to that patient, definitely there will be chances are there that no future patient will come at that time, considering that this clinic don't handles emergencies. So you are directly removing your chance of growth. Similarly, inside job, don't say no to each and everything in your initial phase when you are learning the things. Okay. And if really any company is there which is making you to work like 12 to 15 hours on like all 5 days, on weekends also, then it's very high time to change the company. Definitely something is wrong with that company, not you. But before that, quitting the company also, try all the possibilities. Like possibilities means your time management, everything, and if still you are not able to cope up, then it's time to change the company. Okay. So this is about work pressure and all those stuff. And let me tell you one thing from my experience, from my personal experience, is that if I compare clinical from non-clinical, work-life balance is definitely, comparatively, relatively, work-life balance is far better in corporate as compared to clinical sector. Because inside clinical, someone may die if you don't see that patient, right? If you are from a medicine background, yeah, MBBS or alternate graduate, you can't say no to the patient. But inside corporate, you still say no to whatever important data is coming to you for some time. But to the patient who is going to die, you can't say no. So definitely work-life balance is far better inside corporate as compared to clinical. Yes, no doubt on that part. Okay, so I hope you all get clarity on what exactly this work-life balance and work pressure means and how it is. Yes. And I hope that you get clarity, and through this clarity you will be able to make decision also whether you should be coming to non-clinical sector or not. See, one thing is very sure, because for many healthcare professionals still financials is very crucial for them. They are not able to make good amount of money by studying so hard. So you can come to corporate, because at the end of the month salary is fixed by the amount of work you will be doing, and which is inconsistent and not fixed in many clinical practices. Yes. So with this, I am going to conclude this video, and I hope you get clarity on work pressure and work-life balance. We'll be coming soon with some next fresh video. Till the time, please stay safe, healthy, aware and updated, and please subscribe to my channel if you are getting some new insights about the field and about the clinical research and pharmacovigilance industry. So we'll be coming soon with some next video. Till then, stay safe and bye bye all of you. Thank you.